To fix iOS 26 call screening not working, the first thing that you need to do is click on the settings option, and then from the settings option, scroll down or go ahead and go to the search option and make sure that you have already updated your iOS to 26. And then click on the apps option. Scroll down once again until you see there the phone options. What you need to do is to click on that. Afterwards, make sure that you have already enabled everything to your phone option, such as the unknown callers are turned off, and then there is no silence on unknown callers, so that every time someone is going to call you, the screening will automatically pop up to your phone. Make sure that the calls are actually responded with your phone itself. Now, to also make sure, you can go ahead and go back to the settings option. Now, on the settings option, you can go ahead and click on the general settings, and then from the general settings, scroll down until you see there the language and region. Sometimes call screening is not working if the region or the languages are not on prompts of your country. So you have to make sure that it is actually connected with your phone. Now you can go ahead and go back to the app settings, or you can just go ahead and search for phone options on the settings of your iPhone. And then, once you have already clicked on the phone options, you can now go ahead and check if call screening is still on. Make sure that the income calls are in full screen and not in banner.